Do you want to look younger? Stop eating these foods. I'm about to reveal 10 foods that are secretly aging you. Stick around till the end for the surprise. Want to look younger and feel healthier? Well, some foods you eat daily might actually be speeding up the aging process. From causing wrinkles to damaging your cells, these 10 foods could be making you age faster. Stay tuned till the end to see if any of these are in your diet. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugar is the #1 enemy of youthful skin. It causes inflammation and breaks down collagen, leading to wrinkles. Ditch sodas and sweets, and go for natural sugars from fruits instead. Processed meats. Processed meats are packed with preservatives and unhealthy fats that cause oxidative stress, leading to aging and increasing the risk of heart disease. Swap them out for lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives. Deep-fried foods. Fried foods contain trans fats that cause inflammation, leading to premature wrinkles and weight gain. Instead, try air frying or grilled options for a healthier choice. Excessive alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates your skin, making you look older faster. It also affects your liver's ability to remove toxins, causing dull skin. Moderation is key. Stay hydrated and cut back on alcohol. Comment below if you want more anti-aging tips. White bread and refined carbs. Refined carbs turn into sugar quickly in your body, leading to inflammation and skin aging. Switch to whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for better health. Excessive salt. Too much salt dehydrates your body, making your skin dry and wrinkled. Avoid salty snacks and processed foods. Opt for fresh, home-cooked meals instead. Caffeine overload. Too much caffeine can dehydrate your body and make your skin lose elasticity. Balance your intake and drink plenty of water to keep your skin youthful. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners may disrupt your gut health, which is key for overall well-being and skin health. Natural alternatives, like honey or stevia, are better choices. Margarine and hydrogenated oils. Margarine and hydrogenated oils contain trans fats that lead to inflammation and aging. Instead, use healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Fast food and highly processed meals. Fast food meals are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives, all of which contribute to faster aging. Cooking fresh, whole foods at home is the best way to stay youthful and healthy. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.